When you receive your coffee filter stand, it will come to you in 5 pieces. Shipping in pieces like this will make for a smaller shipping package and less chance for damage in transport. So let's put it together. It only takes a few seconds. You can see that the ends have an inside and outside to them. And what you want to do is put the inside to the inside of the stand. You want to set one corner of the end plate into the groove, and then you want to turn it so that you can grab across the width of the stand. And as you're squeezing across the width of the stand, you're slightly pushing down on the latch and it'll pop together. Okay, let's try that again. So there's an inside and an outside to these end plates. You put one corner of the end plate in the groove. You squeeze across the width of the assembly while pressing down on the latch. And there it's assembled. The bottom plate also has an inside and outside, but it doesn't have any latches on it, so it just lays in the groove like that. Now to finish the assembly, you take the other end plate and you want to match it up to the 2 corners on the top here, like this and like this. Okay? And then you want to turn it so that you can grasp across the width of the stand, and you want to push on both latches at the same time as you squeeze. And there you go. It's fully assembled now. It's sturdy, it doesn't rack, it looks nice. This size filter stand is for number 2 filters. Here are some number 2 filters. It will hold up to 100 filters at a time. It is designed with these extra feet so that it is stable on the tabletop or in your cabinet. And it'll come with or without the graphics, you choose, and you can purchase this in several different colors. So here's a number 2 size. Here's a number 4 size without graphics, and you can see the size difference. And this one has no graphics. It can come in whatever color you would like it to be. Along with 2 different filter stand sizes, with or without graphics and in different colors that you want, you can also purchase this to be a wall or cabinet mount version. You can see on the back side there are some mounting holes. You can use double-sided tape to adhere it to a surface, and there's no bottom because it doesn't need the feet anymore. So here we are. It'll hold up to 50 filters so that it's not too wide if it goes onto a cabinet door. But the filters hang just slightly below the bottom surface now because there's no feet anymore. So there you go. 2 different kinds of filter stands, 2 different sizes, with or without graphics, or solid colors. You choose. Thank you.